If you're trying to rebuild trust, you might be doing everything right on paper, apologizing, explaining, or promising change. And yet, your partner still feels guarded, suspicious, or emotionally distant, and you're left thinking, what else am I supposed to do? Many couples expect that trust is going to be rebuilt once the issue is resolved. But trust doesn't repair through logic, it repairs through felt experience over time. If there's been things like emotional withdrawal, patterns of harsh words that cross the line multiple times, broken agreements, or long stretches of unmet needs, your partner's nervous system may not be convinced yet, even if their mind is or wants to be. Pressure often sounds like, I said I'm sorry, what else do you want from me? Or we're going in circles, nothing is good enough for you. Or are you ever going to let this go? Even though those thoughts make complete sense, the pressure tells your partner that their timeline is inconvenient, or pretending that everything is fine sends them the message that their pain is inconvenient and a burden to the relationship. Neither of those things are going to rebuild trust. Rebuilding trust requires three things. First, accountability without defensiveness, not over-explaining your side, not minimizing your partner's experience, just owning the impact. Second, predictable emotional presence, showing up the same way, not just when things are calm or convenient or easy. And third, patience with the repair. Trust isn't rebuilt by convincing your partner that you're safe. It's rebuilt when they discover that for themselves over time. This is where many couples get stuck without help because both partners are exhausted, just in very different ways. Many couples that I work with love each other deeply and still aren't sure whether their relationship feels emotionally viable long term. Rebuilding trust doesn't mean forcing optimism. It means creating enough emotional safety to honestly figure out what's possible. If you're in this space, trying, caring, but stuck, I offer free 45-minute video consultations for couples. We'll look at the trust injuries underneath the conflict, what's keeping repair from landing, and whether working together makes sense for you. There's no pressure to commit, just clarity about whether this is the right kind of support for you and your relationship.